Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today we're diving into a detailed tutorial on how to change the cable on your Vorwerk vacuum cleaner. This process is essential for maintaining the efficiency of your device. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a screwdriver, preferably a Phillips head, a pair of wire cutters, and some electrical tape. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, ensure your vacuum cleaner is unplugged. Safety is paramount. Begin by removing the screws that hold the casing together. Typically, you'll find these at the back and bottom of the vacuum. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the casing off. You may need to wiggle it a bit to free it from any clips. Now you should see the internal components of your vacuum. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside, as this can affect performance. Next, locate the cable connection point. You'll see where the cable is attached to the motor. Carefully cut the old cable using your wire cutters, ensuring you leave enough length to work with. If you're unsure about this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Now, take your new cable and strip the ends to expose the wires. You'll typically find 3 wires: live, neutral, and earth. Match these wires to the corresponding terminals on the motor. It's crucial to connect them correctly to avoid any electrical issues. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Once the wires are connected, secure them with electrical tape to prevent any accidental disconnections. Now it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully place the casing back on, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so, as this could crack the casing. Before you plug it back in, take a moment to inspect your work. Ensure there are no loose wires and that everything is in its proper place. If you're feeling uncertain, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision about whether to proceed with a professional service. Finally, plug in your vacuum cleaner and test it out. If it runs smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully changed the cable. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for support. Remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to help you with all your vacuum needs right from your home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.